Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of C-Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're making a dish that I haven't had since I was about a kid, and we are making Singaporean fried noodles, or Singapore Mei Fun. So what the hell is that? It is basically a delicious rice vermicelli noodle that's tossed in a number of different vegetables, sometimes shrimp and also pork, different kinds of meats as well, in a curry powder sauce. And it's not even a sauce, the noodles itself are quite dry, but there's a lot of curry spices that go into it, and that's kind of what makes it really, really unique. With the addition of raw onions in there, it's super, super, super tasty. Enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!